Take your template and your erasable marker and just mark a line around your template. This will be the line that you want to cut on. From here, fold into 3. Just like that. And we'll place some pins in to secure it. This will save you time on cutting them all out individually. Just make sure you use a pair of really sharp scissors. And then using your line as a guide, just cut on the line. And this will give you 3 flags. Next, we're going to take 2 flags and place them right sides together and sew them with a 1/4 inch seam from the top of one curve all the way around to the top of the other curve. Continue to do that until all our flags are sewn. What we're going to do next is we're going to snip around the corners of our flags. Now we need to be really careful here because we just want to go up to the line of stitching. You don't want to cut through the line of stitching, but just make some really small cuts up to that stitch line on all the curves of your flags. Now let's turn the flag in the right way. And using a chopstick or something similar, we'll just poke out those corners. And we'll do that with all of the flags, and then we'll take them over to the iron and give them a press. Now that our flag has been turned in the right way and pressed, we're just going to turn the top raw edge down 1/4 inch and pop a pin in there so that we can sew that opening closed. Next, we'll stitch our flags closed with a 1/8 inch seam. Measure 19 inches in on one end of your rickrack. And place your first flag. Then continue to pin your flags onto your rickrack, leaving a 1-inch gap in between each. Next, stitch your rickrack to your flags.